Hello beautiful people, this is Monkey and I'm gonna show you now the dress agent, or how to set up such a dress agent to keep you dressed or to undress you, and to set, for example, clothing sets, or also if you have armor or something like that you want to equip real fast. Yeah, you can do that with an agent, with that dress agent. So let's create a new agent for the moment and call that my dress agent. Save that thing. It's automatically selecting here undress conflicting item. What means, for example, if you have a one-handed weapon already equipped and inside your dress agent you have a different weapon, it unequips that weapon what you're currently holding in before and equips the other weapon, so to say. Let's check that out. So the easiest thing is I'm currently wearing, we can have a look, that robe here, there's a GM robe for the moment, but it can be any other robe or any other clothing part or armor part or whatever. Then I also wear that blade mail legs and also that helmet. So for the moment, just keep that equipped. So I'm wearing that clothing, and I'm also wearing armor parts and a weapon. So the easiest thing is to just hit the add current outfit, and then it's automatically added to the list. As you can see here on the picture, it's already equipped. Yes, 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 means this is equipped. So if I unequip something, so the backpack, it tells you, no, it's not equipped anymore. The same for all the other parts, for sure. What we can do now is we can try out that undress conflicting items. So what I expect for the moment, if I hit that button here, so dressing, yeah, my character up, I expect that it's unequipping that thing here, that stuff, and replace it, or that wand, and replace it with the katana. So let's try that out. It's exactly what it's doing. So now do a more interesting task. So just undress everything. Then I equip this thing here that went. And then I go dress. As you see, it takes care on everything for you. If you want, for example, yeah, to add an item which is in your backpack, you can do that. For example, let's do that real quick. Just remove that rope for the moment out of the list and add that item manually. Where it is? Here it is. But if you see here now in the layers, it changed. So it's not the body anymore. It tells you, okay, layer invalid, because it cannot detect the layer if it's inside your backpack and if it's not equipped. If you equip it, the item is bound to a layer which is saved inside the item, so in the clothing, and then printed here. That's not a problem if it comes to, okay, if you just have one set, two sets, three sets, and never equip another item inside your hands than a katana, for example, in that case. So this is not working if you, for example, wait, let me equip that thing here real quick. We can try that out. Yeah, as you see, it's working. And if you now dress, it's also working because there is no conflicting item. But it doesn't know then about what layer is conflicting if it was selected in before, like this. So you can, for example, remove that thing here real quick. And if it's equipped, just click on add item and then on the rope, and then you can see, okay, it has that layer attached. I'm gonna produce that problem, or reproduce that problem really quick for you. So I remove the katana. I just add the item katana to the list. When it's in backpack, it says, okay, the layer is invalid. Now I go equip that went. Now I say dress. And as you can see, it was unable to equip because it doesn't know that the katana should normally be a one-handed weapon. So again, when you select, or if you change or switching weapons on something like that, be sure that weapon is equipped when it's added to that list here. So I can remove it and add the current outfit, so it's just adding the delta to it, which works really well. You can also deselect that button if you don't need it, but I really like that functionality. Yeah, for sure, you can set a hotkey now to it. As you see here, it created two different agents, so one for dressing and one for undressing. So let's bind that, for example, to the hotkey D for dress and U for undress. And let's check that out if it's working. So undress, and now I hit dress. Yeah, that works. But now let's check if it's also working when running around. Yeah, that works pretty well. So, well, this is it for the dress agent. I hope you guys enjoyed it, so to say, and I see you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot.